Now on, never throw away the peel of an pomegranate. अनार के छिलके को संभाल के रखिएगा. Because when I was coughing and talking to my mom and she said कि अनार का छिलका है तुम्हारे पास फ्रिज में, and I said नहीं. He says अभी जाओ निकालो, and she said put it into the boiling hot water, boil it for almost 10 minutes. So 1 लीटर पानी लेके I made it 750 ml. उतना मैंने बना लिया है, and you just see how simple it is. I'm just sipping it throughout the day, and I just feel such a relief that imagine I've made this video without even coughing even once. Isn't it?